Hi everyone, welcome back to my mini cooking vlog. So for today, I'll be cooking a creamy white sauce pasta with just few ingredients in it. Simple, creamy, and delicious. I have the pasta here, got onions, shrimps, all-purpose cream, and full cream. So I just started reheating my pasta from the last time because I cooked pasta as well. Just leave it in the container for a while, and today I'll be showing you how to cook in our Escalade salad master. So we've been using this Escalade salad master for quite long time from now. It's really good because it's so very convenient to use. I'll just set up the temperature and wait to preheat the Escalade before we start. So it's 230 degrees, and yeah, so if it's heated already, I'll just put my butter, just melted the butter in there, and I used onion. I didn't use garlic because we don't have any garlic for now, and I just mix it, simmer for a little bit, and I just adjusted the temperature of the skillet because I don't want to burn the butter and the onion. I just mix it. Make sure that the aroma of the onion will lumabas, and I just put the shrimp. It's a fresh shrimp. I didn't actually remove the skin, and hindi ko rin tinanggal yung ulo dahil gusto ko. I just wanted to be like that. Kasi mas gusto kong nahihirapan kumain. So naglagay lang ako ng pepper dyan at saka salt, panlasa ng para lumasa yung shrimp, and yan, hinalo-halo ko lang siya ng very light dyan. Tinakpan ko lang siya for like 2 to 3 minutes to 5 minutes or whatever. Hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes yun. And then yan, binuksan ko ulit, and then hahaluin ko ulit siya. Hindi ko alam. I just love mixing my yung niluluto ko. Then yan, nilagay ko na dyan yung full cream, yung unang milk. Actually 2 kinds of milk yung nilalagay ko dyan. Wala lang, gusto ko lang kasi it's help to get more creamier. And pag kumulo na siya ng ganyan, tinatakpan ko lang siya for like 2 to 3 minutes as well. And then yan, pag medyo thick na, hinalo ko lang ulit because I love haluing cherries. And yeah, nilagay ko na rin dyan yung full cream, all-purpose cream na pala yan. Ayan yung nag-help para maging mas creamy yung pasta. And tinimplahan ko ulit siya ng salt and pepper. And then naglagay din ako ng the magic syrup. Naglagay lang ako dyan ng very light. Ay, hindi pala, medyo madami pala yung nalagay ko dyan. Actually, pag nagluluto ako, I don't really measure things. I just, tansya-tansya lang. Wala lang. And then it's just turned out na masarap. Because maybe that's really my talent na pacham pero masarap. So, titikman ko na yan siya dyan ng very light. Okay naman na siya, but I put a little bit of sugar para medyo lumabas yung lasa. Or I don't know, I just know that of my mom. He normally put sugar on whatever he cooked to emphasize the flavor, I guess. Charot, I don't know really. And yan, pag kumulo na yung milk na ganyan, hinalo ko na rin yung pasta na bahaw. Charot. Sayang kasi yung pasta kung hindi ko lutuin. So, hinalo ko lang siya dyan, hinalo-halo ko lang. At saka ang sarap ng amoy niyan dyan, guys. Kasi alam nyo, yung shrimp, yung amoy ng shrimp is talagang nangingibabaw talaga siya. So, I don't really have to put a lot of things in my pasta just, na maging masarap. It's just few ingredients and you can have creamy and delicious pasta. So, ayan, I think luto na yan. Pero wala, hindi ko pa rin siya tinitigilan sa kakahalo. I don't know what's happening to me. Hinalo ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam ba't hinalo ko yan ng hinalo. yan, ready to serve na siya. So, pinatay ko lang tong electric skillet namin para hindi siya masunog. And then, yeah, ready to serve. So, dalawa pala kami kakain dyan. Konti lang yung serving niya. Hindi ko alam kung ilang. Parang basta konti lang yan. And yung habol ko kasi talaga dito guys, to be honest, hindi yung pasta, yung shrimp. So, yan. So far, masarap. Yung pasta, kahit luma na siya, medyo okay pa siya kasi one day pa lang naman siyang nasa fridge namin. So, inano ko lang siya. Nireheat. Tapos, ayan na. It's ready to serve. Ready to be eaten. So, I just put a little bit of what's that? Parmesan cheese. So, yan. Try ka na siya. Yes, sarap. Oh, sorry. May sumilip. In fairness, masarap talaga siya. To be honest. As I said, it's simple but creamy and super tasty pasta. Okay? Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you. Bye!